Ever found yourself surrounded by jobless villagers, wondering how to turn them into valuable merchants with unique trades? Today, we're diving into the essential skill of giving your Minecraft villagers jobs, a crucial step in building a thriving village economy and unlocking powerful new resources. The key to assigning a profession is something called a job site block, and each job site block corresponds to a specific villager profession. To get started, simply find an unemployed villager. You'll know they're unemployed because they won't have a profession visually indicated, like a farmer's hat or a librarian's glasses. Now, take a job site block, for example, a lectern, and place it near the unemployed villager. See that? As soon as the villager is close enough to the block, they'll claim it, gain a profession, and, importantly, a consistent profession. Bubble this lectern, for instance, will turn them into a librarian, ready to trade enchanted books, paper, and other scholarly goods. Each profession has its own unique job site block. For example, a butcher needs a smoker, a cartographer requires a cartography table, and a weaponsmith needs a smithing table. Placing these blocks strategically throughout your village ensures you can create a diverse range of villagers for all your trading needs. Once a villager has a job, their trades will change based on their profession. Librarians, as we saw, sell books and bookshelves. Farmers will trade crops for emeralds, and blacksmiths can offer tools and armor. This is where the real fun begins: customizing your village economy. You can create specialized trading centers, making resource management incredibly efficient. Need a steady supply of emeralds? Set up a mining outpost with plenty of blast furnaces for your stonemasons looking for enchantments. A well-staffed library is your best bet. This allows you to tailor your village's output to your specific gameplay goals. Mastering villager professions is a game-changer for your Minecraft experience, enhancing gameplay and resource management tenfold. Now get out there and start assigning those jobs.